Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fateh and our today's topic is about IoT, the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things IoT refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data. Here are some key aspects of IoT, Internet of Things. IoT component of Internet of Things devices, sensors, actuators, cameras, lidars, etc. Connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks like 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G, etc. Data processing like cloud, edge, and fog computing. Applications like smart home and industrial automation, etc. IoT applications. IoT applications include smart home automation, security and energy management, industrial automation, predictive maintenance, quality control and supply chain management, wearables like fitness trackers, smartwatches, health monitor, transportation, connected cars, autonomous vehicles, traffic management, healthcare like telemedicine, patient monitoring and medical devices integration. Benefits of Internet of Things. Increased efficiency, improved productivity, enhanced decision making, new business model, improved the quality of life. IoT challenges: security, data protection, device authentication, interoperability, device communication and data exchange, scalability, handling large amount of data devices, privacy, data collection, usage and sharing, regulatory compliance. Technologies in of Internet of Things IoT: RFID, radio frequency identification, NFC near field communication, Bluetooth low energy, BLE, ZigBee, LoRaWAN, long range wide area network. Here are some additional IoT related topics. IoT protocol. Protocol of Internet of Things include COAP, Constrained Application Protocol, MQTT, Message Queuing, Telemetry Transport, HTTP2, Hypertext Transfer Protocols to LWM2M, Lightweight Machine to Machine, DDS, Data Distributed Service. IoT security measures: encryption, authentication, access control, intrusion detection, security, secure boot. IoT analytics include data mining, predictive analytics, real-time analytics, machine learning and edge analytics. Now I am going to discussing IoT application in industries. Agriculture, precision farming and livestock monitoring. Energy like smart grids, energy management. Manufacturing, predictive maintenance and quality control. Retail, smart shelves and inventory management. Transportation, logistics and traffic management. IoT trends, edge computing, artificial intelligence for like AI, 5G networks and 6G networks, blockchain and digital twin. IoT challenges in industries, healthcare, finance, government, transportation, and manufacturing things.